guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support. This style that we're going to show you today is based on a style I named the Banana Bushel Braid. You may have seen many recreations of this style under the name Bushel Braid, which is awesome because we're glad so many people liked it. Now we're going to show you another version that incorporates this popular style.
And we call this the French Pancaked Bushel Braid. So let's get started.
You're going to need extra time if you want to do this for your daughter for school. I went ahead and crimped her hair just to give it some volume and some texture. And I also went and put some mousse in her hair just to tame those flyaways. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first thing you want to do is to section off this part of the hair. So get a nice thick section. Your goal is to have this here at the bottom part and this bottom part up on top here. So what I mean by that is you're going to section this off here. Now you're going to take the bottom part right here, grab a section right here, and this now becomes the top and then this becomes the bottom. So it's going to be just like this. See? You're going to hold it, and again this top here, split a section right here. And then this section is now going to go on the bottom, so it's going to stay like this. See how this is the top and now this is the bottom? You're going to take a piece right here, and this is now going to be the top part of it. And make sure that when you take that section, take a good, big, thick section. Okay? Right here, just like that. Pretty much equal to what you're going to section off on the top. So again, the top is going to go down at the bottom. And now the bottom is going to go up on top. Okay. See how it's separating already? All right. I'm going to finish this off. Top to the bottom to the top. Last one. This one at the bottom, this one at the top. And then this here, the last one, is going to stay at the bottom. The outsides of these will end up at the bottom. Now I'm going to have my daughter hold this top here forward to her face. And now I'm going to go and take a section right here, and I'm going to bring it over here. So I'm going to cross this over here. Then I'm going to take another section on her right side, right here. Bring it over. Smooth this out first. Bring it over. With this here, the one that was on the left side, I'm going to have her hold this. So now I'm going to have her release this down. Let this one go, the top, and have her now hold the sides here, which is this one here. This one. She's gonna hold it tight. So I'm gonna bring this back, the one that she was holding, I'm gonna bring this back. And now I'm gonna go ahead and continue the bushel braid. This time, I'm gonna take the bottom first and separate it. And then the top, is gonna go the bottom. So this top is now going to end up at the bottom, and the bottom is going to end up at the top. Just like this. Okay? This goes at the top. Bottom. This is the top. This is all repeated until you have no more to bring up and down. Okay. Split this. Now I'm going to bring this at the bottom. Now the outsides of these section will go up. So you want to make sure that the outside sections are going to go up. I'm going to go ahead and bring this forward, and she's going to let one of the sides go. It's okay now. Okay, and she's going to hold this. Now I'm going to bring this here that she let go, and I'm going to add some hair to it. I'm going to cross it over these guys here. Okay. Now I'm going to go and take this and add hair to that strand. So I'm going to add some hair to that strand. So now the one that I brought over on the left side, she's going to hold it. Now the one that I'm going to bring on from the right side, she's going to go ahead and hold this. She's going to let this one go, the top, and she's now going to hold this tight. Make sure that when your helper holds it, that they hold it tight. Now you're going to bring this back. See, it's already forming that bushel braid. So now you're going to start all over again, and this is all repeating until you get down to the neck or all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just go a little faster. So remember, the top will now become the bottom, and the bottom is going to be up on top. I'm going to speed this up for time purposes only. I'm going to go back up here real quick and just pull and pancake the middle out, and also the sides, and just pancake them out a little bit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue down. Now you can stop here if you like, or you can continue. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. So what I'll do is take this and bring it over, and take this and bring it over the middle. She's going to hold this on this side. Then she's going to let go of this. She's going to hold this on this side. And we're just going to go ahead and continue down. As I'm continuing down, I'm going to go and take these outsides and pancake them out, as well as the middle, just to give it some volume and like a 3D effect. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little. I'm going to stop right here. Before I secure it with an elastic band, I'm just going to go back over, just pull out the sides a little bit, just pancake them out, and give it some 3D effect. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and secure this off. For most of you that have short hair, you're probably just going to go ahead and clip it right here and then do whatever you want with the ponytail. I just wanted to show you guys that it can go even further down. I'm going to pull the middle out just to give it some definition. Little hairspray. There you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now we're always out for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time,
learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys. God bless.